Hello everyone, here is a recipe of chicken ghee roast. Ingredients required to prepare chicken ghee roast. First I have marinated the chicken using 2 tablespoon curd, 1 teaspoon chili powder, salt and turmeric. Now we are going to soak 6 to 7 red chilies in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we are going to prepare ghee roast masala. For this we are going to dry roast 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 3 teaspoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon peppercorns, 2 inch of cinnamon, 3 cloves and half teaspoon of fennel seeds. We need to dry roast it for 3 to 4 minutes in a low flame. Once done, then transfer it to the grinder and add soaked red chilies, 5 garlic cloves, a small piece of tamarind. Then grind it into a fine paste by adding little water. Heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now add 1 sliced onions along with 7 to 8 curry leaves. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown. Now add marinated chicken and fry for 10 minutes on a high flame. After 10 minutes, add the ground ghee roast masala paste which we have prepared earlier. Add some salt according to the taste and mix well. Add a small piece of jaggery which helps to enhance the taste of the chicken ghee roast. Now close the lid and cook for 20 minutes in a medium-low heat. After 20 minutes, open the lid and roast the chicken on a high flame for 5 minutes. Now the chicken ghee roast is ready to be served along with rice, neer dosa or chapati. Thank you.